Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how raw materials are transformed into $1 million product, step by step.
Material balance and absolute purity are critical. They determine the final value and superior performance of the components we produce.
We have an overheat in Sector 4.
Rerouting coolant, stabilizing the temperature now.
Each stage transforms raw materials into components worthy of $1 million standard. Every $1 million product undergoes rigorous inspection before leaving the factory.
And that's how raw materials become $1 million product, end product, from start to finish.